Nagkama. Show it first, show it. Okay. Sige. Slowly open. Feel mo na yung... Other side. Pag ganyan. Okay. Sige, go. Pati yung taas. Ayan, feel lang. Pati yung taas.
Sige bro, go lang.
And then yung sa side. Ayan. Oh, careful ha, baka malaglag. Slow reveal.
Nandyan na.
Okay. Okay lang. Okay. Careful ha, huwag masyado nakatil. Okay, try to feel. Biko lang yung POV. Open mo yung ano, hindi sa likod din. Go. No. Yung on mo, makakuha yung below. Okay? Sige, on mo. Yeah, wait lang natin. Kunin lang namin yung welcome. Teka lang! Kaya natin yan, guys. Kaya natin yan. Ano na, high na. Okay na. Okay. Be a few poses with the phone here. Alright. Oh, yan. Okay. Go lang. Show it to me. Parang selfie ka. Yan. Okay. That's perfect. Okay. Ayan lang. Hold. Okay. Extend mo. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Smile. Okay. Few more. And show it to me front. Hintay ko lang yung hello. Kasi naka-ano eh. Naka-iba yung language eh. There. Right. Click mo ulit. And okay, few more. Last one. Standing lang. Ayun. Yan. Okay, yan lang. Okay, ready, B? Take care after. Okay lang, details ako. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Right. Like using it, like you're using it. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Smiling. Okay. Gusto mo yan, ha? Okay, bro. Sino lang? Back one. Okay.